Hi everybody, it's Cheryl. So I was just sitting here doing my hair and my makeup and everything, and I thought I would show you guys. I got everything done, but I'm missing something. Can you see what it is? My eyebrows. I don't have any. So I want to tell you, I hate doing my eyebrows. I really need to just get them microbladed or tattooed or whatever, but you know, it's expensive to do. So I've been struggling. I found an eyeliner or a brow liner that I really liked, but it's really expensive and I ran out. But when I was at Emily Seagren's in Rockford, Illinois for our second annual retreat, she surprised us with a makeup artist. And she did my eyebrows with eyeshadow. Now, an old friend of mine from California, her eyebrows always look fabulous. And I had asked her how she did hers, and she told me she used eyeshadow. She said she'd show me someday. Well, that day never came. And so when the girl did it when I was in Rockford, I was like, all right then. So I'm going to show you how I do them. Hopefully you can see real good. So what I use is, I have the eyeshadow quad and I use this dark brown. I use this thin little brush. And all I do is, you don't want your eyebrows to be too dry. So I always wait until I have my foundation on my face, because it helps it go on a lot better. If your skin is really dry, it's not going to work as good. Anyways, you just put it on there. And if you make a little mistake, you just kind of can wipe it. You can use a makeup wipe or use your finger or whatever. Now, I don't like my eyebrows real thick because I'm not used to them. I have had thinning eyebrows for so long that I've had people do my eyebrows and they get them real thick, and I freak out because I'm like, oh my gosh, it's such a shock to me and I can't deal with it. So I never make mine real thick. And you can play with the colors. You can use the lighter brown, or you can use the darker brown. I do have really dark eyebrows, so I like to keep it dark. Anyways, that's it. That's all I do. And then I always use the makeup setting spray from Avon to keep them on, because you don't want your eyebrows to wipe off by the end of the day. Anyway, so yeah, that's how I do my eyebrows. All right, thanks guys. Bye.